How to add a stop on Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add a stop on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to add a stop on your Lyft application, all you have to do is basically open up the Lyft application. Before you try to, let's say, book a ride over here, right? So we just go ahead and select that and we just cross out everything over here. Then let me just go ahead and enter my pickup location. What happens is after I pick up my pickup location and before entering my destination, I want to stop somewhere. So to add a stop, basically on the right hand side you'll find this little plus button here, so you can tap on that plus button, and now in the search bar you can simply go ahead and select the stop that you want to use, and then you can just go ahead and enter your destination. After that, tap on the done option. It will find the designated rides that are available for you. Then you can tap on select Lyft to basically add a stop. That's all it takes to add a stop on Lyft. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.